In our business, great feedback is the best reward. We work hard to make sure everyone has a first-class experience with us, and we appreciate the recognition when someone takes the time to send an online review like this one.
My daughter was experiencing multiple sinus and ear infections. She was on several antibiotics that didn't really fix anything. Dr. Huntoon adjusted her to put her head on straight so her ears drained properly and tested her for a few allergies, and things are going better.
You shouldn't settle for anything but the best, and we would love the chance to show you why we receive such amazing reviews. So thank you for visiting us today. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Call us today and let us give you the same amazing service.